Hello, today we are solving May 2023 Unit 2 IAL paper question number 2 part F. Prepare and extract from the cash budget of Green Tie Me PLC for each of the 4 months from September to December 2023 to show the amount that would be paid for each month to the supplier of garden sheds if the offer of discount was accepted. So now here, what is the offer they are giving? The supplier of the garden sheds has offered a discount of 2.5% if the payment was made within 30 days of delivery. Green Tie Me PLC is considering taking advantage of this discount and paying within 30 days. So if they pay within that month, they will get a discount of 2.5%. So let's see what was the purchases cost they had. Okay, purchases cost for all the 4 months. Okay, so September, October, November and December. So let's write the purchases cost. So let's write the purchases cost for each of the months September, October, November and December. Okay, the earlier we had calculated in part D the total purchases cost for each of the months. So let's write it here first. So for the month of September it was 264,000 and for the month of October it was 120,000. For the month of November was 72,000 and for the month of December it was 48,000. Now let's see if they get a discount of 2.5%. So 2.5% discount, if they get, the value is going to be equal to 2.5 divided by 100, that is 0.025 times 264,000, that is 6,600. So if they pay 6,600, okay, 6,600. So this is the discount they are going to get. Then 0.025 times 120,000, that is 3,000 discount for the month of October. So 3,000. And for the month of November it is 0.025 times 72,000, that is 1,800 will be the discount they are going to get. And for the month of December, 0.25 times 48,000, that is going to be equal to 1,200. So let's write it here, 1,200. So now let's calculate the cash payment after discount. Okay, so what will be the cash payment if they pay a discount, if they get a discount? So they did not pay 264,000 minus 6600, that is 257,400. 257,400. Then for October it is 120,000 minus 3,000, that is 117,000. And for the month of November it is 72,000 minus 1,800, that is 70,200. And for the month of December, 48,000 minus 1200, that is 46,800. So these are the cash discounts. And then for part G it is saying calculate the total cash. Okay, calculate the total cash for that may be obtained by Green Tie Me PLC if the offer of the discount is taken up during the period September to December 23. What will be the total discount value they are going to get from September to December if they were to take the discount? What is the total cash discount they are asking? So let's calculate the total cash discount value. So total cash discount will be equal to 6,600 in the September plus 3,000 plus 1,800 plus 1,200. So that is going to be equal to 12,600 pounds. So this is the cash discount they will get in the total cash discount. If